Hi everyone, in this video we're going through a particular compound interest application question regarding changes in prices or populations from period to period. In the first example, we're looking at a valuable painting that increases in its price by 5.2% every year. Okay, 5.2% every year. Given the price of the painting at the start is 90,000, find the price of painting in 2032, right? So the amount of time that passed from 2025 to 2022 is 7 years, right? So the period we know now 7 years. So why is this a compound interest question? Because you're adding 5.2% every year, right? So you have your original amount and you add 5.2%, add 5.2%, and you do it, you get a new amount, it's slightly bigger, and do it over and over again, like so. A bigger amount. So what's happening here is that you're doing compound interest because you're compounding the amount from year to year. So what you can do now is to find final price. You can write price in 2032. You take the principal amount, which is the original amount, your 90K, 90,000, and apply your compound interest formula. 1 plus 5.2 over 100, and you get your amount of time, which is N, which is 7 years. So type this in the calculator, and you get 12, 8, 3, 3, 7, 1, 2, 3, 7. You don't have to 2dp because it's money. So 12, 8, 3, 3, 7.2, 4, right? So this is it for the first example. We can look at the second example, which is a similar question involving a bacteria. Instead of increasing, the number of particular bacteria on the surface decreases by 3% every hour. Given that there were 120,000, which is the principal again, bacteria at the start or at the beginning, find how many bacteria were left on the surface after 5 hours. Right, so it's not something that you should wonder about. It's already a principal compound interest formula. So n after 5 hours, the number of bacteria after 5 hours, take the principal amount, 120,000, 1. But instead of adding the percentage, which we usually do, we will minus off 3%. And this is after 5 hours. And you can use your calculator. And you'll get this 103048. And because it's a long question, so you can round it to 3 SF. 10300. Right? That's it. Principal or compound interest question.